Right now on Jamaica News Page tonight, tragedy on the roads this Christmas Day. A man killed and several others injured in a multi-vehicle crash in St. Mary.
Mash up, man. 1 million, man.
What police are saying tonight as investigators work to piece together what happened. Also tonight, another deadly collision, this time in Clarendon. A pedal cyclist killed after being struck by a motorcycle. And a wanted man killed during a police operation in Manchester Christmas Day. What authorities say led to the fatal confrontation. Plus,
y'all look at this. Whole king-size bed, Jamaican black rum cake from headboard to footboard.
And Christmas joy spreads to new mothers at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital tonight. Welcome back to Jamaica News Page tonight. News that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica. And it's all powered by viewers just like you. In the spirit of the holidays, we've got something special just for you. When you become a Jamaica News Page member, you unlock perks you love, including a loyalty badge next to your name in the comments, shoutouts of birthdays, anniversaries, other special moments, plus a whole lot more. Joining is easy. Just tap subscribe, then tap join and choose to become a Fui Star or Fui Elite member today. That's it. Simple and quick. Leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout out. Thank you for joining. Jamaica News Page tonight starts right now. We begin tonight with tragedy on Jamaica's roads. One man is dead and several others are injured tonight following a multi-vehicle crash along the Oracabessa main road in St. Mary early Christmas morning.
One. Got some police down with them already, isn't it? So some different set of police are come. Yeah, man. Mash up, man. 1 million, man.
Police have identified the deceased as 58-year-old Devon Anthony Baldy. Jamaica News Page tonight understands that the crash occurred early Christmas morning when multiple motor vehicles traveling in opposite directions collided. Several occupants sustained injuries and were taken to the Port Maria Hospital for treatment. Baldy was pronounced dead upon arrival. Head of the St. Mary Police Division, Anthony Wallace, says investigations are ongoing and is once again urging motorists to exercise caution, obey traffic laws, and drive responsibly, especially during the holiday season. Meanwhile, in Clarendon, police are investigating the death of a 62-year-old pedal cyclist following a collision with a motorcycle. The deceased has been identified as Francisco Thomas, otherwise called Baga, a higgler from Rocky Point. Jamaica News Page tonight understands that around 7:15 Tuesday evening, Thomas was riding along the Rocky Point main road when he was struck by a motorcycle driven by a 29-year-old man from Hayes. Thomas was taken to the Mapen Hospital, where he later died from his injuries. The motorcyclist has been issued a warning for prosecution, and the Lionel Town Police are continuing investigations tonight. Also tonight, Jamaica News Page has obtained a video of the aftermath of a motor vehicle collision in St. Andrew.
This morning, Christmas early morning. Christmas early morning.
This happened in Halfway Tree near the Portmore 20 route bus stop earlier today. At this hour, the conditions of the drivers involved are not yet known and investigations are ongoing tonight. Tonight, a wanted man is dead following an alleged confrontation with police in Manchester on Christmas Eve. Police say the man, identified only by the alias Billy, was among Manchester's most wanted, linked to cases of murder and sexual assault. Jamaica News Page tonight understands that shortly after 9 p.m., police were conducting an operation in Miketown when a confrontation occurred. The man was shot and rushed to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Police say a firearm was seized during the operation. And the violence doesn't stop there. The killing of 4 men and the wounding of 2 others in 3 separate incidents within 48 hours has prompted police to tighten security across parts of Manchester tonight. Superintendent Kerry Duncan, who heads the Manchester Police Division, says special measures are now in place in communities including Green Street, Cedar Grove, Mayday, and Barnstable.
So what you're seeing here today in this space is our effort just to reassure the persons within this space that the police is in fact here with you. We understand the challenges that are happening in the community at this time. We certainly, our intelligence are directing us in a particular way, and certainly we are looking to make a breakthrough in what is happening in this space in very short order. Earlier I gave the reassurance that heading into the Yuletide season, Manchester will be a safe place for persons to come in and do their businesses. I am holding to that fact that Manchester is in fact still a safe place. What we're seeing here are some targeted events with persons who have disputes with each other, and we're seeing it playing out a particular way. As I said before, we are certainly on top of what is happening in this space, and I just want to reinforce that Manchester is in fact a safe place to come and do your business. As a matter of fact, for the past 3 months, we have seen one incident of serious crime in terms of murder. So what we're seeing here now is very unnatural based on the operational output that we have implemented and what we are doing within the space. So I just want to reiterate to the persons who traverse the space that we are out, we are with you. All we ask for is your support in these communities to ensure that peace and normalcy is maintained.
Residents have expressed fear and frustration following the killings, including the shooting death of 31-year-old businessman Jomo Travers, also known as Not Nice or Gemini. Police say these measures are aimed at preventing further bloodshed and protecting lives. In other news tonight, police officers in St. Elizabeth are receiving praise tonight for their community outreach efforts during the festive season. Police Chief Superintendent Coleridge Minto and his team were commended during a walkthrough in Santa Cruz, with residents highlighting initiatives such as Shop with a Cop.
I always feel good about Mr. Minto. From Mr. Minto coming to play, we had never met before, but your name, Mr. Minto.
Mr. Minto.
I want you.
Hello, good day, sir.
Yeah, man. Keep it away.
Merry Christmas.
Same for you, sir.
All right.
Mr. Minto, how are you?
Not too bad, I don't think.
I'm praying for you.
Well, with it. You're praying for me?
Yes, I'm from Brazil.
Bridget, man.
Yes, we live in Israel.
Keep praying for me, man.
Happy Christmas and take care of yourself. All of us. God bless you.
All right.
Because when you look and you see Mr. Minto in the place, working along with the citizen and this area, we feel happy about that. And everywhere he goes, he makes his name as an officer.
Yeah, me turn around, it's good to be in the town and just interacting with so many of the citizens of the parish, both business persons and just the persons coming in for shop. And we are here today, we're going to be here right through this festive season to ensure that, so we're here to ensure that persons can come into our commercial district and to be able to shop in a safe and free environment. As you know, Black River, that is badly damaged through Hurricane Melissa, and so a number of the persons who live to the western part of the parish will be coming up to this section of the island between Junction and Santa Cruz. And so we have a large contingent of officers that are in Santa Cruz at this time to ensure that the presence is here and law and order is maintained. Beyond that, we're doing a Shop with a Cop, where we have well over 80 students now that are benefiting from this initiative, which is our third staging of it.
We now turn to the Christmas message from Prime Minister Andrew Holness, who urged Jamaicans to remain hopeful and united as the country continues to recover from Hurricane Melissa.
As I speak, I know there are many Jamaicans without shelter and experiencing hardship as a result of Hurricane Melissa. Yet, the Christmas story reminds us that even in these moments, life, hope, and renewal can still emerge. This is not to diminish the challenges of our people, but to remind us that hardship does not cancel the possibility of hope. Just as the stable did not diminish the significance of Christ's birth, Our current circumstances do not diminish the strength, dignity, or future of our communities. And in the spirit of hope and renewal that defines this season, the government of Jamaica is advancing a comprehensive program of support aimed at rebuilding homes, restoring livelihoods, and strengthening affected communities. 2025 has been a faith-testing year. But at the same time, we saw the brotherly and sisterly love that is so characteristic of who we are as a people. We saw that shine through. To every Jamaican who opened their home, shared their resources, or gave their time to help someone else, thank you. You embody the very best of who we are. And many thanks to our brothers and sisters in the diaspora who continue to support families back home and invest in Jamaica's future. You remain an essential part of our national story. From my family to yours, I wish you a safe, peaceful, and blessed Christmas, and a hopeful and prosperous New Year. God bless you, and God bless Jamaica.
Now to this Jamaican black rum cake king-size bed that has gone viral tonight.
Y'all, look at this. Whole king-size bed, Jamaican black rum cake from headboard to footboard. Dark like midnight, soaked in overproof, loaded with fruit that glazes pure molasses and burnt sugar. Press test, watch.
Chef Flacco's video is racking up thousands of views and shares online. Would you take a slice? Let us know in the comments. I can't wait to hear what you have to say about this cake. And finally tonight, there is some good news. Christmas came early for new mothers at Victoria Jubilee Hospital in Kingston. Some 61 mothers who gave birth on Christmas Day received gift baskets through the Kiwanis Division 23 East Baby Love Project. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton praised the initiative, calling it a powerful symbol of renewal and hope.
Young ones coming into the world, mothers who have journeyed the distance to this point, hopefully with the support of the fathers and family members. But renewal because the future is really ahead. And that renewal involves a lot. It involves happiness because it represents something new, someone new. It represents the future in terms of the potential that the future brings. But it also represents challenges. And I think in that regard, we have to pay tribute to the Kiwanis Club because what you're actually doing is giving an energetic start to the renewal of this process of a youngster coming into the world.
So this is our 12th staging of the Baby Love Project. And this is something the clubs look forward in doing every year at this time on Christmas Day. It's a big sacrifice, and especially now that we have the passage of Melissa, they just think that we should continue to do this and do this in a big way.
This morning we have 61 delivered mothers on the ward, 7 delivered since 12 midnight. First baby was delivered at 12:11 a.m. and it was a boy. Second baby delivered at 12:14 a.m. girl. Third baby was delivered at 4:07 a.m. That's another girl. And the fourth baby was delivered at 5:02 a.m. and it's another girl. Baskets were presented to all the babies, all the mothers who were on the ward, and for those who were delivered this morning, first to fourth, got special baskets.
That is so sweet of them. Wow. Congratulations to those new moms. And that's the news on Jamaica News Page tonight. News that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica. And we're all powered by viewers just like you. In the spirit of the holidays, we've got something special just for you. When you become a Jamaica News Page member, you unlock perks. Perks you love, including a loyalty badge next to your name in the comments, shoutouts for your birthday, anniversary, or any other special moments, plus a whole lot more. Joining is easy. Just tap subscribe, then tap join, and choose to become a FUI Star or FUI Elite member right now. That's it, simple and quick. Leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout out. Certainly, thank you for joining. Merry Christmas, and thank you for watching Jamaica News Page tonight. We'll see you in the comments, and be sure to join us again for more news. From all of us here, good night.